In this video, I'll show you how to edit WordPress source code files. Let's get started. So we have in here two methods in order to use this. So what we can do first is to head over to our first method, which is to just head over to your dashboard and scroll down your left sidebar right here until you can see the option for appearance. Now just hover to that until you can see this option for theme file editor. So head over and click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see all of the files that your theme has. And as you can see, my theme that I edit right now is my current theme, which is 2020. But you can also edit out any themes that you have installed. So for example, you can edit out Shibaki or also Hover or also Astra. So in here, you can see all the files that you have in here. So what you can do is you can head over and just click on any one of them. And then it will display to you the file content that they have. Now just do or make any necessary changes that you want to do in here. And then once you have done that, head over and then just save this progress. So once you have saved the progress that you have made, then you should be good to go. The next method we have is to actually make sure to use a file transfer protocol client. So in this, I recommend you to use this app called FileZilla. So let's search in here for that. So here it is. This is a free FTP solution for client and server. So when you head over and click on that, you should be able to see in here some download links. So just head over and download this right here and then connect your WordPress to your actual FileZilla, and then you should be able to edit it from there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.